Here at the Watts' property to do a repair. As you can see, the roof is splattered in hail. This will be the shingle that we are repairing.
So we've got the roof snake here to put the nails back in without having to lift the shingle up. So I can do this as careful as possible. Let's go ahead and pop these shingles up. A lot of them are loose already. We did get a lot of matting transfer doing that, but we will show it at the end. Let's go ahead and lots of degranulation. And taking these nails out is going to be difficult because of the age of this roof. They're all just ripping right through the shingle. It's a little dark. We'll have to get pictures at the end. But here you can see that nail head is buried in the shingle. When we try to take it out, it just goes right through.
Once again, only lifting these shingles high enough to get those nails out.
That should be the lower nails. Let's get the higher nails. And again, that is just leaving a big hole in the shingle. Again, that one's going right through. So right here you can really see the size of that hole that is ripped open trying to get this nail out.
Continuing where we left off.
All right.
You can also see here really well those nail pull throughs. Those will not be able to be reused. Obviously the shingle is being removed. It's just the easiest one to see them on since these are still on the roof.
We also have 2 layers of shingles.
There's a layer of roofing right here. This should be
underlayment.
Yeah, this is a
This
whole
is 3
other
tab
roof.
roofing.
This is a 3 tab roof.
So we cannot do a repair with multiple layers. We're gonna have to put a tarp here and end the video to prevent any leaks, especially with the amount of damage that was happening with the nails ripping through. You can see right here, that nail is not
even holding the shingle on the roof.
in the
Neither is
shingle
that one.
here. These tabs all became unsealed.
There's a lot of matting transfer as well. You can see it here on the shingle.
So every single one of these tabs is loose. All these holes are ripped, all the matting transfer, and the 2 layers. This roof is not repairable. It needs to be replaced. Thank you for your time.
And with there being 2 layers, every single one of these shingles would not be able to be replaced. They'd have to be tarped.